In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emojis into your Google Docs document effortlessly. Whether you're making your text pop or just adding a fun touch, emojis can be a great addition to your work. Let's dive right in and explore a few simple methods to get those emojis into your document. First things first, you'll want to open up your document in Google Docs on your computer. Once you have that ready, place your cursor exactly where you envision the emoji to be inserted. This might be at the end of a sentence, in the middle of some text, or wherever you feel it would best complement your work. Now, there are a few methods you can use to insert your emojis, and I'll walk you through each one. The first method involves using the menu on your screen. Click on Insert, located at the top of the screen. As you hover over Special Characters, if needed, you'll find the option for Emoji. Clicking on this will bring up a window full of emojis for you to choose from. It's like having a palette full of colors, just waiting for you to pick your favorite. Simply scroll through the options, or search for a specific emoji using keywords. Once you spot your desired emoji, a quick click will insert it into your document exactly where your cursor is positioned. Another handy method involves using a simple shortcut. Type the symbol at, followed by the word emoji. Then give Enter a press. This action will trigger an emoji picker to appear right where you're working. It's a swift way to get your emojis without having to navigate through menus, especially if you're looking to insert only a few. For those who enjoy a bit of typing flair, consider using the colon symbol as your starting point. For instance, type a colon, immediately followed by a keyword that represents the emoji you have in mind, something like smile. As you start typing, you'll notice Google Docs begins to offer suggestions. Press Enter to choose the emoji from these suggestions. It's a method that feels seamless and often impresses onlookers with how quickly you can populate your text with the perfect emoji. Once you've chosen your emoji through any of these methods, it will appear in your document just like any other piece of text. This means you can get creative with how it looks. Adjust its size, alter its color, or change the font style to better fit the overall theme of your document. And with that, you've successfully mastered the art of adding emojis into your Google Docs. It's a quick, easy process that can really breathe life into your work. So go ahead, make your document shine with these vibrant little expressions.